Said we got rain to contend with. We're about to find out. Hey, welcome to the Motovlog Virginia Motovlog channel. Yesterday we went to go see a motorcycle race a couple 100 miles away in 4 hours. Halfway, this is what happened. Try and watch it and commentate with the video. Yeah, we just got some information from some guy at the gas station that we stopped at. He'd come from Greensboro. Said it was it was raining off and on most of the way. You know, we weren't prepared. We really didn't have nothing for rain gear. It won't be long up here. We'll see what happens. Really didn't have a lot of footage because after we stopped, I basically I just quit filming. Oh yeah, she's coming down good now. After we stopped from this place, decided to turn around, you know, and head back. And it was getting dark, and it got pitch dark. And Kevin went one way, I went home about 40 miles before I got to my house, and it broke all loose like this here, basically, maybe worse. Plus, it was in the dark. Heavy winds, a lot of hail. All I know is following cars was key at night. Of course, at a safe distance, but you know, watching the taillights, and you know, the glare was the worst on the visor. All that water, and it's just real hard when you ride a motorcycle. See anything? You don't have no windshield wipers, so try that one. Made it home. That was a little bit more of an adventure than I cared for. I don't mind some rain and some downpour, you know, but to have to travel a long distance in it, that was something else. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll let most of that do the talking. I don't know how to narrate this stuff that good anyway, but it was cool, it was fun, made it home. Whew, thank goodness. Till next time.